Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a critical issue affecting families across the country, the skyrocketing cost of baby formula. In recent years, the price of formula milk has surged dramatically. A new report highlights how this increase is having a devastating impact on family finances. Two-thirds of women in a recent survey said a 25% hike in formula prices over the last 2 years is straining their budgets. Many families are facing tough choices. The report, from the British Pregnancy Advisory Service, or PAS, reveals that some are cutting back on food for the rest of the household. Alarmingly, others are substituting cow's milk in their babies' diets, which can have health implications for the infants. Here's a startling fact: the cost of the cheapest formula milk now exceeds the £8.50 weekly Healthy Start voucher available to qualifying families. This financial pressure is causing anxiety and worry, with two-thirds of surveyed women expressing concern over the cost of formula. The Consumer and Markets Authority found that just 2 suppliers account for 85% of infant formula sales. This lack of competition, especially in cheaper-owned brand formulas, is partly why prices have soared. In a distressing turn of events, there's been a spike in formula thefts amidst this crisis. In response, supermarkets like Sainsbury's and Co-op have taken measures such as security tagging formula products and placing them behind tills. It's a stark reminder of how desperate the situation has become for many families. PAS's chief executive, Claire Murphy, emphasizes the urgent need for bold solutions. She advocates for initiatives like subsidies and price caps to ensure access to affordable formula. Additionally, she stresses the importance of supporting both breastfeeding and formula feeding as matters of child health and reproductive choice. This issue is complex and multifaceted, touching on health, economics, and social welfare. As parents struggle with these rising costs, it's clear that a multi-pronged approach is needed to tackle this crisis. Thank you for watching. Let's discuss this important topic in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Stay informed, stay connected. See you in our next video.